to show you the 2021 Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third-row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control. Come take a test drive today.